All right. On our series of pentatonic scale lessons today, we're actually going to be doing 3-string minor pentatonic scales in the key of E. We've done 1-string scales, where we've gone up 1. We've done them where we've done 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 strings, and we're going to approach this a little bit differently. We're going to do basically 1 octave at a time of E minor in different areas, starting in different notes. The first one, we're going to start in the open position, open 3rd string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open 2nd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, open 1st string, 3rd fret on the 1st string. So if we wanted to, you got there's all kinds of stuff you can do in there. That's actually, like if we were to take like the regular original blues box that was an A, move it down to the open E position. That's what we're starting with today. Now that pattern of notes, the next position up the neck we can find it is if we start on the 5th fret, 4th string, and on that 4th string go 5th fret, 7th fret, and then on the 3rd string, 4th fret, 7th fret, and then the 2nd string, 5th fret, 8th fret. Same as, so if we had a lick here, we can go down that same pattern note right there. A little hard because you got to pull that note down, but that's where those notes are going to be. Now the next position up on that box is going to be 10th fret, 5th string. On that 5th string you go 10th and 12th. And then on the 4th string, 9th and 12th. And then on the 3rd string, 9th and 12th. And you got to look there. And then, so just another approach to kind of visualize where stuff is at. In that same octave, the last place we can play it is all the way up here, which is going to be on the 6th string, 15th and 17th frets, 5th string, 14 and 17, and 4th string, 14 and 17. So that's the same as even all the way. So just a different way of kind of looking at what you got and also being able to move your licks around. Now we've got it in that octave, and then the next octave up where it'll really work is at the 12th fret on the 3rd string, 12, 14 on the 2nd string, 12, 15 on the 1st string, 12 and 15. Alright, so that's the same as just an octave higher. So 12, 14, and then 12, 15, 12, 15. We move up a position. That same octave, we've got on the 4th string, 17, 19. On the 3rd string, 16, 19. And then we've got 17 and 20. Right there. If we were to move this down 1 octave, that same box, we would have the 3rd fret and 5th fret on the 6th string, 2nd and 5th on the 5th string, and then 2nd and 5th on the 4th string. Alright, so the same lick. right, just an octave lower. So we can play that idea all over the place. Oops. Alright, quite a bit of mileage just for one little lick, as long as you know where everything is at. The next box that we're going to do is just the next pattern up in E minor. So on the third string we got 2 and 4, and then on the second string 3 and 5, and then on the first string 3 and 5. Total like Albert King, Stevie Ray Vaughan, little box right there. All right, so you've got it right there. Then the next position up is going to be here on the 4th string, 7th fret. You're going 7, 9 on the 4th, 7, 9 on the 3rd, and then 8 and 10 on the 2nd string. So here we're doing the Albert King, or bending up the 5th fret 1st string, 3 on that string, 5 on the 2nd string, 4 on the 3rd string, and then on the 2nd string doing the 3rd fret. Right down here, bend up the 10th fret, sorry, 8th fret, 9th fret on the 3rd string, 9th fret on the 4th string, and then ending right here on the 7th fret on the whatchamacallit, on the 3rd string. I'm starting to lose my head in all the numbers. Alright, so now the next little place that we've got that is up here. On the 12th fret, on the 5th string, 12 and 14. 12 and 14 on the 4th string, 12 and 14 on the on the 3rd string. Same notes. So we have, and now we've got the 12th fret. Now the last place on the guitar, and this is a place pretty much you don't play very much, but 17, 19 on the 6th string, 17, 19 on the 5th string, 17, 19 on the 4th string. Alright, now if we were to take this, let's take it up an octave. What we are going to have starting on the A, I guess it would be here, on the 3rd string, 14th and 16th frets, on the 2nd string 15 and 17, and on the 1st string 15 and 17. Alright. Taking it down an octave. Alright, what we have here is open 5th string, 2nd fret, open 4th string, 2nd fret, open 3rd string, and then the 2nd fret. Alright, we take it here to the 6th string, 5th fret, 5 and 7 on that, 5 and 7 on the 5th string, 5 and 7 on the 4th string.